Welcome to the timeline view in Agile CCPM. To add a task, drag on the resource lane where you want to create it and set its estimated duration. We'll open the Jira Create Issue modal, pre-filled with details to help you create the issue quickly. Double-click any task to edit its summary, story points, assignee, and even create links between tasks. If tasks are too small to read, zoom in using your touchpad or Command Mac/Control PC plus mouse wheel. Click Fit to automatically adjust tasks to your screen width. Hover over an issue to see dependencies, links, and a pop-up with additional details. Navigate to the Team menu, select Jira Users from the drop-down. To add external resources, vendors, contractors, partners, go to Team Non-Jira Resources and create a new entry. Drag an issue to a new assignee lane. This reassigns and reschedules it automatically, updating buffers as needed. Click an issue to reveal attachment points. Drag from one task to another to create a dependency link. Once all tasks are assigned and linked, set the project in progress. When changes occur, you'll have the option to create a baseline to compare progress against the original plan. Congratulations on planning your first project in Agile CCPM.